Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Fix It coming at you. Hey, look, I did a doorknob, Defiant doorknob video. Okay, I just did it. And I'm looking at the paperwork and the bell goes off. It's like, are you sure you got the right measurements on that? Look, I got confused. Okay, because on this paperwork has 2 1/8. Look. The inset on these, okay, it tells you right on here. 2 3/8. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. All right. Can't get it to come in. Anyway, it says 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. Okay? So it all depends on how far you want your doorknobs inset. These are good for both. 2 3/8. It's not 2 1/8. 2 1/8 is the size of the hole when you buy the kit to put it in. That's what confused me. Look, 2 3/8. Take your square. You're measuring in 2 3/8, okay? 2 3/8 on the Richter scale here. And then on the other side, you're going to mark, but you're also going to put this on the edge of your door. Okay, put it on the edge of your door right here. Okay, put it on the edge of the door. And you want to make sure that this small part on the end of the door is going to go in the middle of the door. Look. Okay, it says it right on there. Take my word for it. 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. Okay, and on this is the bolt lock. All you're going to do is turn it out. Okay, you turn it out and it's 2 3/4, just like that. Okay, that's what's going to happen there. Okay, if you have 2 3/8, it's good just the way it is. Okay, but you're going to look on here and it tells you up. Put it up the way it's supposed to be. See it? Now on this, on your regular doorknob, same thing. Even, it's going to be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. I prefer 2 3/8. Okay, look, on this one, all you do is slide that over. Okay, you're just going to slide it over. That's how that works. Okay? So, catastrophic error. Don't drill 2 1/8, drill 2 3/8. I was going to erase that video. I like that video too much. So I'm leaving that video up. I'll mark this must see before you install. So good luck, people. You can always ask me questions. I'll get back to you. I'm a nice guy. What can I say? Come on. Are you picking it up? All right. Have a good one. Make somebody happy. I'm out of here.